welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be doing some taste testing of some Dollar Tree finger foods. And I have a special guest. Okay, he is today's sponsor, I could say, or the sponsor of every one of my videos. My husband, my Janito, my Luigi. Welcome, have a seat. Friends, I told him he needed to behave, so hopefully this will work out. You can say hi and look
Hello.
at the camera.
What are we doing? Oh, food. All right.
Yes.
Got a good volunteer for that.
Yes.
I'm hungry.
Okay, friends, today we're going to try some of the finger foods that we can find in the frozen section of Dollar Tree. The first thing that we are going to sample and taste is the snack pizza roll. 4 meat, sausage, hamburger, pepperoni, and Canadian-style bacon pizza in a golden crust. You get 20 rolls in this little package. So, let's give it a try.
All right, get to eat. This one right here?
I like them.
A little dry, but they're good.
Okay.
You can dip them in something,
Yes.
like cheese or
Dipping sauce.
dipping sauce.
And I had some from the Dollar Tree and I forgot to pull it out. I'll eat anything, I guess, because that tastes good to me. Okay. And we are drinking some of the sparkling water from Dollar Tree that's 0 calorie. I'm drinking the kiwi strawberry and you're drinking the lemonade. This is good. 0 calories.
Real good.
You like yours?
I like it.
Great.
It needs a little spice to it, but I like it.
No, we can't do that on camera. Okay, friends, the second thing we're going to try are the spring rolls. They're vegetable, all natural, no artificial ingredients. 3 rolls per serving, 55 calories per roll. Okay, let's try it.
This one right here? All right, I like these, I think.
I was going to say, you haven't even tasted it yet.
Chinese rolls?
They're vegetable rolls.
Vegetable rolls, they're good. I like these.
Oh my gosh, they're delicious.
Real good.
I totally recommend these. These are delicious.
Real
And
light.
you get, how many in a package? You get 10 pieces. Not a bad buy. This is great finger food.
Real light, too.
Very good. Okay, next.
I like this. You should do this more often. I get to eat.
You act like I don't feed you. I feed you all the time. Okay, next we're going to try the mozzarella sticks. Okay, and there is how many to this?
It's mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Sorry, what did I say? Didn't I say that?
You said mozzarella.
Oh. Sorry, friends. Okay, they are over there. Grab one. See, this really did need some dipping sauce, I think. But
Real good. I like these.
friends, these are amazing.
Excellent.
Excellent!
I could eat a bunch of these.
You probably
I
could.
will for a day, though.
I was going to say. A must. Okay, next. When I saw these, I thought that these looked pretty good. They are loaded potato sticks. And we must try them out. Let's see. I believe they're right here.
What are we eating?
Loaded potato sticks.
That's what I want, loaded potatoes.
Oh,
Usually good. Real good.
friends, if you need to put a little snack tray together for just your family or guests, I highly recommend these.
Excellent. I like that.
Those are delicious.
I don't know what it is, but I like it.
They're loaded potato sticks.
That's what I like, stuff that's loaded.
I told him to behave. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to sample is the cream cheese pepper bites. Let's see, they say that they are a little potent. Let's see. Try the middle one.
All right, I'm game. These are even better than the other ones. They're spicy.
Here we go.
Don't you?
These are good. If you like spicy food, these are good. It's the best of all of them. What is it? What am I eating that I like so much?
Cream cheese pepper bites. Ooh, they are. Listen, if you like spicy, these are good.
And cheesy too, creamy.
But they're not for the weak, let me tell you.
They're good.
They've got a powerful kick. Ooh, doggy.
Which ones are they? The ones in the middle? Let me see if this is all.
Okay, try it. Oh, Eric, I forgot to ask you to try some of this. Ooh, doggy. Hoo, 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 hoo.
They're good. Can I have another one?
Yes, you may. Thank you for asking.
Good.
I don't want to eat all the props up.
They're not props. That's what they're there for. What do you think? How are they? What would you?
They got some
Mild?
good spice to them.
Mild? No, they're more than. They're medium. They're hot.
They're medium.
They're medium.
If
You
you're
think?
used to eating hot and spicy stuff, I think they're like mild to medium. But if you're somebody that doesn't eat spicy food a lot, it'd probably be a little hot for you, maybe.
Right.
They're real good.
But they're very flavorful.
They are. There's so really everything that we've tasted so far we've liked. Now he did say these
A little dry.
the
They do
little
have a little bit of an afterkick. Like I'm starting to feel it now. Heat up just a little bit more.
Can I have one of these?
Very good.
yes. My husband just loved everything on the tray. But friends, this is the way to go if you need a quick snack plate to put together for guests. We're always having little snack bites and everything in the evenings, and these are perfect. I mean, I wouldn't have them all at one time unless you're having company, but wouldn't you say that they're good?
I'd recommend these, whatever these are. I'd recommend these, whatever that is.
The loaded potato sticks?
And I like this, whatever that is.
Okay, there you go, friends. Home with Casey was the one that hauled or did a video, and she said that these were snack foods at the Dollar Tree were very good, and that we should try some of them. So you were right, Casey. Thank you for letting us know. And Casey also shared with us a recipe for something that she calls fruit nachos that she fixes for her family. So I went ahead and fixed a little plate earlier. What she does, yeah, you even get dessert. What do you think of that? What she does is she sliced up an apple, and then she got some caramel syrup that is sugar-free, and then those miniature M&Ms, and sprinkled them on there. And she said they were delicious, so we'll try it.
I get to eat one of these too,
Yes.
huh? Man, what a country.
I told her I was going to try these. And
I like the cream on there. I mean
the caramel.
The caramel.
Sir. Casey, thank you so much for sharing. Friends, you need to check her channel out. She is amazing. Home with Casey. Oh, thank you for sharing. What do you think?
I'm good. I can do this again in another hour.
No, honey, so we're not going to do it again in another hour. Friends, highly recommend all of these. These were great. Like I said, and Casey, thank you so much for sharing your recipe with us. Quick and easy.
So people can go find that recipe on our channel.
Yes, they can go find this on her channel, because I think she's more than once showed it on her channel. It's Home with Casey. She is amazing. She does all kinds of videos. I just love that girl. Alrighty, friends, I think this concludes our taste testing for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Friends, don't let anyone take your sparkle away. Be fantastic and be kind to one another.
Great. Can I eat again? Can I eat again?
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. The best part about it is getting to eat.
My Juanito, my Luigi, you gotta love him.